Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Naresh Chetri. So today in this video, we are trying to learn about the dictionary nesting because we are in the unit of the dictionary, which is another popular data type of the Python programming language, which you already know. So sometimes what happens is that we want to store multiple dictionaries in a list. You already know the powerful data type, which is mutable, is a list, or sometimes the list of item is a value in a dictionary. It's used interchangeably over here. Sometimes dictionary in a list and list in a dictionary. So multiple dictionary can be included in a list, or a list of item as a value. It's called nesting, what we call over here dictionary nesting. So nesting is a powerful features in all programming languages, not only in the Python. So we can nest in three ways. So the first one is dictionary in a list, which will explore in today's video. I named it as a D in L, and the other two videos in the next weeks, we will see a list of item inside a dictionary, which is L inside D, or even the last one, a dictionary inside a dictionary called as a D in D. First, let us understand the dictionary inside list, and we will see the program implementation of it. Here, it's very simple. Dictionary inside a list, that means we have a list, and inside this, we have a dictionary 1, dictionary 2, dictionary 3, or so on, as much as you want to include inside that. So say for example, the instructor 1 contains the information regarding about one instructor, but sometimes this is a dictionary defined with two pairs. So two pairs in the sense here, two key value pairs. So the key 1 is name, value 1 is blighty, key 2 course, and value 2 is respective, which you already know. There is nothing but the collection of key value pairs. But here is no room to store the information about the second instructor, because we have you store the information about the first instructor. So in that scenario, one way, as you know, there are several ways for doing the dictionary nesting. One way is that we can make a list of instructor, or what we say is a list of dictionary in which each instructor is a dictionary. Why we say here instructor 1 is a dictionary, instructor 2 is a dictionary, and instructor 3 is a dictionary. So that means we have the room for more than one inch. So that's what we are trying to do. Here we make a instructors, that is a list which contains the three dictionary, as we have said. So instructor 1, instructor 2, and 3. And it is common to store several dictionaries in the list, and we can use a for loop to loop through the instructor list and print out each item, which we have been doing with the help of the instructor variable or any other variable you can use. So that's the instructor is just the variable name used in the for loop. So here only thing is that all dictionaries should have the same structure, and so that we can loop through the list. That means the key 1, the value 1, key 2, and the value 2. After you understand this structure, first we'll create several dictionaries, so 3 dictionaries, and then we'll make a list of dictionaries, and we try to print that using a for loop. So we will go over that and quickly see in the program implementation. Okay, the program is here. It's pretty simple, unless I have use a def to define a separate function D in L, and we have a 3 instructor. So every instructor has 2 pairs, as I said. So instructor 1 name, instructor 1 course. You can add other details also if you want the instructor office, instructor email, whatever you want needed in the dictionary. So instructor 2 and instructor 3. Then the only thing I try to keep exactly as the same whatever we were doing in the PPT. So instructors defined with the 3 dictionary that is inside the list. So now our list, the name of the list is instructors. So you can make any name. There is no restriction. And then we try to print it what we used to do via the for. Okay, and I have defined the main and just call the function, and the main is over here, which you can do inside a function or without inside a function, but the program is same. Try to run that, and you can see the instructor is printed for the instructor 1, instructor 2, and instructor 3. This is the one way of the dictionary nesting, which is the first way where the dictionary is inside the list, and we will explore other 2 ways the dictionary nesting in our next video. So I hope it helps, and thank you for watching.